great day wherever you are.
We are in Oshawa.
Yeah, we are.
At the Regent Theatre with Keys.
Hi!
And we just want everyone wanted to say hello.
Ready? Here we go, and... Thanks so much, and see you at the beginning of the tour.
Hello, and welcome to Behind the Boot.
Hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We are here in Torbay, Newfoundland.
And we're in front of the boot!
And we just want to celebrate our last show with all of you guys because we're having such a great time with our friends that we just made here in Newfoundland.
Look at all the babies in the air!
Lots of babies in the air. All right, everybody.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Behind the Boot.
Hope you're having a great New Year's Eve wherever you are.
We are in Barrie.
Yes, we are.
And we are at the Barrie Downtown Countdown. And look at all the people who are here with us.
Ready?
Yeah!